Is your truck acting sluggish, burning through gas like crazy, or maybe it just refuses to start at all? If you have scanned your car and pulled up the code P009F, you are dealing with a fuel pressure relief control circuit stuck on. This is very similar to other fuel codes, but the key here is the stuck on part. It means your powertrain control module, or PCM, sees that the valve responsible for relieving excess fuel pressure is stuck open. Instead of maintaining the right pressure for the injectors, it might be dumping fuel back into the return system constantly or messing up the delivery balance. This applies to most OBD2 vehicles like GMC, Saturn, Ford, and others. The job of this circuit is to control how much fuel and pressure your engine gets. When it fails, your engine performance takes a nosedive. The symptoms can be scary. Aside from the check engine light, you might have an engine that will not turn over, very poor acceleration, increased fuel consumption, and in some bad scenarios, raw fuel dripping from the exhaust pipe. Causes range from a defective fuel pump or a failed relief valve to electrical gremlins like corroded connectors, damaged wiring, or even a faulty PCM. To tackle this, do not just start buying parts. First, look up the technical service bulletins for your car to see if the manufacturer has issued a fix. Next, pop the hood and locate the fuel pressure relief valve and regulator. You need to inspect the wiring harness connected to these parts. Look for any signs of rubbing, scraping, or corrosion. If the physical wires look okay, you need to verify the fuel pressure. Using a fuel pressure gauge, compare your actual readings to what the service manual says they should be in pounds per square inch. If the pressure is way off, it confirms a mechanical or control issue. For the electrical side, grab your digital multimeter. You will need to check for voltage and ground at the connector based on your vehicle's wiring diagram. If you find a broken circuit, you will need to perform continuity tests. Remember to always disconnect the battery and remove power before checking resistance. A good wire should read close to 0 ohms. If it reads open, you have a broken wire. Common fixes for code P009F include replacing the fuel pressure relief valve, the fuel regulator, or the fuel pump itself. Sometimes it's just about cleaning a dirty connector. If you have gone through these steps and the code persists, or if the wiring nightmare is too complex, it's best to hand it over to a certified technician to avoid damaging the PCM.